Once again, welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on Nelson Mandela International Day, which is on 18th of July. It always seems impossible until it is done. Nothing is impossible. Nelson Mandela, a man of quiet dignity, deep humanity, and a mentor to generations who continue to believe that miracles are possible and that we can together make a better world. A very hearty morning to all. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8. July 18 is the day to remember and celebrate the life and achievements of a great leader, Nelson Mandela. Today, on his birth anniversary, we thank the God for giving such a great personality to the world. And with this, let us start today's morning assembly with God's prayer. And now, everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. And after prayer and pledge. Nelson Mandela. Today, the world remember him for his struggle and leadership for freedom, equality, truth, love, peace, and justice. He inspired many of us through his life struggle, words, and deeds. No doubt, he inspired countless people through his thoughts and deeds. And let us move towards thought of the day. For today's thought, I invite on stage Jasmine from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jasmine. Thought of the day by Nelson Mandela. Everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Jasmine. After thought and news, Nelson Mandela devoted his life to the service of humanity. As a human rights lawyer, a prisoner of conscience, an international peacemaker, and the first democratically elected president of a free South Africa. And the purpose of this day is to bring attention to the legacy of Nelson Mandela and to encourage others to walk in his footsteps. And let us know more about what is the importance of this day for all. What lessons do we get from Nelson Mandela's life? I would like to invite Sukhmeet from class 8 to light upon the life of this global icon. To this speech, thank you very much, Sukhmeet. Nelson Mandela famously said, "What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead." Mandela Day is about more than just a celebration of the legendary man's life and legacy. Dear all, we all have the ability and responsibility to make the world a better place for everyone in it. And it's important that we should come ahead and contribute in the Mandela's vision of a better future. Next, I would like to invite on stage Mrs. Rama ma'am to share her views and to encourage us on this very special day. After this speech, thank you very much, ma'am. And now I would like to invite on stage Mrs. Soma ma'am. Good morning, students. Mandela Day is about changing the world for the better, just as Nelson Mandela did every day. What are we doing to make the world a better place? What are we doing to make every day a Mandela Day by taking actions? Positive change was the gift left to all of us by Nelson Mandela. And today we'll all plant and grow trees for the well-being of all in the school campus, and we'll clean up our classes as well. And in this, the cooperation of all the teachers and students are required. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. And after National Anthem, I end with the beautiful lines by Nelson Mandela ji. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we led. And here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a nice day.